guide you to allow camera access on your Instagram. So let's open Instagram, click on the story or the post that you need to create. So if you click on story, from here you can have access to your camera. So it will ask you to take pictures and record video while using the app, or only this time, or otherwise you can't allow. So if you need to allow your camera access, make sure you go for while using the app. And here, if you can make turned on this, that is well and good. If you can't do here, so go to your settings, scroll down to apps, and scroll down to find Instagram. Go to Instagram, and there you can find app permissions. Go there and go to camera. Now I have allowed for this, and if you not allowed and don't allow, if you want to allow only while using that app, or otherwise you can toggle on ask every time. Ask every time makes you that every time you take a picture or a video, it will ask for you that Instagram need an access to the camera. It is very irritable. So make sure you toggle on always allow while using the app. This is how you can allow camera access. Thank you.